Why not use it to help our children? Since everybody like to talk about the children are the future, they are the way, they're the tomorrow, they're the future lawyers, they're the future doctors, they're the future teachers, the future nurses. Why not help them in that way? So the police in Jamaica destroyed $1.9 billion worth of counterfeit goods. Counterfeit goods meaning fake goods, fake stuff. So more than likely the places that make fake stuff is from China, okay? And when I talk about why I don't like when Chinese people come to Jamaica and make shops and supermarkets and all these things, this is one of the reasons. Because they ship illegal stuff into our country, they sell illegal stuff into our country, and they make a lot of money. And people talk about how, why I'm so angry towards Chinese people, why not blame the government, this, that, blah, blah, blah. Like, you can only blame the government to a certain extent. So 1.9 billion worth of counterfeit goods was destroyed. And I have a lot to say about this. A lot. So we're going to read this article from The Gleaner. And it says, more than 1.9 billion in counterfeit goods were this morning destroyed by the members of the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Unit as investigators ramp up their offensive against organized criminals in Jamaica. The items do not include some 20.5 million worth of fraudulent footwear and other items that were seized during an operation in Montego Bay, St. James 2 days ago. 2 persons have been arrested in connection with the incident. The goods destroyed this morning include counterfeit CDs, DVDs, counterfeit rum, computers, handbags, clothes, and shoes. They were put on display during the special press conference hosted by Assistant Police Commissioner Clifford Chambers at Kingston offices. Afterwards, they were loaded into trucks and taken to the Riverton City dump in Kingston for destruction. The police say in the past year, 32 persons were prosecuted in relation to the seizure of items disposed of this morning. The enforcement of intellectual property crimes has become more dangerous in recent times because this is now a direct linkage and association with organized crime, said Assistant Commissioner of Police Clifford Chambers. We are seeing the networks using the same houses, the same routes, and the same gang members and the same communities to move around these goods, and we have arrested persons, so you can understand clearly the link between guns, ammunition, and the current environment with regards of counterfeit items, he said. The destruction of the goods coincide with the Intellectual Property Week 2017. Excuse me. So they destroyed 1.2 billion worth of counterfeit goods. I don't have any problem with them destroying the counterfeit goods because it's not supposed to be in our country in the first place. But this is where I have a problem. You are destroying computers, clothes, and shoes. You are destroying something that Jamaican people need desperately. And that's where I have an issue. Like, nobody thought of, oh my God, there are so many schools in Jamaica that would appreciate, that would love to have a laptop or a computer area so the kids can use, so the kids can actually know how to use the internet, actually do research, actually link up with other people around the world, actually have them like an internet pen pal, like how we used to have like a written pen pal at school. You can't have like an internet pen pal, because I know in the United States a lot of schools does that. Why didn't anybody think of something like that? They just destroyed everything. You know how much people at Jamaica would be glad for a new pair of shoes or some clothes? Are you serious? Like, them destroy everything. Every single thing. Like, I don't have a problem with them destroying the stuff, but actually, instead of destroying it, use it for a better purpose. Use it for a purpose that's gonna not only make our country better, but also put our kids in a position to not only be better citizens and better human beings, but better students. Because do you know what the power of a computer has on a child's mind and brain? And they just completely destroyed everything. And there's no shelter when they're Jamaica, or no homes or any of that stuff that needed clothes and shoes for the people that were living there or staying there. There's no mental institutions in Jamaica that have abandoned people there that doesn't have any clothes and doesn't have any shoes, and nobody not come visit them, nobody can give them nothing, that are in need of clothes and shoes. But when destroy everything, y'all decided to destroy everything. Like, that part is the part that kills me. I don't have a problem with them destroying like the CDs, the DVDs, and the fake rum and the fake food and the fake handbag and the fake Gucci shoes and Louis Vuitton shoes and all that stuff. Like, I don't have a problem with them destroying it. I have a problem with them destroying stuff of value that can help Jamaican citizen. It's already in our country. It's already made its way from wherever the hell it came from, more than likely China, in our country. Why not use it to better our people? That aspect, because I know a lot of schools in Jamaica that would love, like literally love, to have a laptop or a computer in their possession that children can use and children can access on a day-to-day basis. So that's my whole issue with this. Like, I don't have any other issues. I'm actually glad that they found all this stuff, and I feel like they need to nip this in the bud. Not only counterfeit goods and stuff, clothes and shoes and rum and all that, but also food products, because I saw fake egg, fake rice, fake banana. There's been so much fake stuff that I've seen on the internet that have been imported into Jamaica. It's about time that they start nipping this in the bud and actually watching what's coming into our country. Because Jamaica already has enough problems as it is. Like cancer and other diseases is not going to make it any better for our people. So I'm happy that they found this stuff. I'm happy that they destroyed some of this stuff. But on the other hand, I felt like they could have handled the situation a little bit better and done something good with all this fake stuff that they had on hand. Tell me what you guys think about them just destroying every single thing and not actually using some of the stuff to better our country and better our people, because it was already in our country anyways. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. This one. Here on YouTube, I'm a part of here, man. Deuce. Ain't just a pretty face. I got brains.